Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all of my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to the FabFitFun Fall Unboxing. Whoo, Lordy, I know you all are like, FabFitFun, you haven't done one of those since like last year, and you're right. I have not done an unboxing for FabFitFun since last year. So if you guys want to see what I just got in this box, few hours ago, actually, I just got it. Keep watching. Well, I happened to get a pop-up on my phone that the FabFitFun box was delivered to me at the office. So as I was going to pick up some copies, I was like, let me parlay to the mail room. And this lovely box was in the mail room. They always have the cutest boxes. And of course, your favorite cat is sitting across the room waiting for the box to be opened. So my coworker Stephanie, who was new to the company, she was like, "Ooh, are you gonna unbox it on camera?" And I was like, "I don't know." I didn't know if I was, but she asked me to. So as a request of my coworker, who was also a subscriber to my channel, and she asked for me to unbox it. So I said, you know, for my subscribers, I will do what you asked me to. Within legal bounds. You know, I can't be doing illegal stuff. You know, I can't rob no banks. I can't be selling stuff, you know, that I can't be selling. So let's open the box, all right? Okay, well, all right, let's open up this box, and here we go with the box and what's inside. I see Christina Applegate on the cover of the FabFitFun booklet. I like her. I actually liked her after Married with Children. I wasn't a huge fan of that show. I don't know why I just wasn't a huge fan of the show, but I like her and I love her story, and she's so freaking cute. So here she is on the cover of the FabFitFun booklet. I am not going to open the book because I want to, you know, what we do normally, we don't want to open the book because the book actually tells you what is in the box. So we're going to keep this a mystery. So we're going to put this down over here on the side on top of a bag full of hair tools. But anyway, all right, next thing in the box is a HelloFresh card. Let me back that up so it's not, you don't get the glare of the light. It's a HelloFresh $50 gift card for me to use. I've never used this. I've actually wanted to use it, but the thing is getting things delivered to my apartment is kind of tricky. So I'm still trying to figure it all out. But maybe I'll deliver it to my mom's and I'll pick it up from there or something. I don't know. But a lot of these are really good and fresh food. And yeah, I have to claim it within 30 days. So hopefully I'll be able to do that. Next thing in the box is another card. Share the love of FabFitFun. Pass this card on and your friend will get $10 off their first box. All right, here we go right here. Here's the card. I'm going to put this link, this coupon in the description box below so you guys can see, so you guys can get in on this box. And like I said, it's $10 off your first box. I also have a link in my description box for FabFitFun so you can get $10 off too. So I'm gonna put this in with it too. And the last card is for Luna Rica, whatever. I wonder if that means chocolate. I don't know. Enjoy $3 off one box of Luna bars on Amazon. And you all know I love me some Amazon. And Luna bars, I've never had a Luna bar. I think my niece has had them or my sister. Somebody's had the Luna bars and they like them. So we get a $3 off Luna bar and gave me a discount code there. So of course I'm going to try it. All right. Okay. I love when I open a box and see a bunch of really cool stuff. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out the box is the smallest thing that I see. And it is an original beauty blender. I've never purchased an actual beauty blender. I use the Real Technique sponges. I've used the Sephora sponge, and now I have a beauty blender. So I cannot wait to use this and try this out. The next thing in the box, oh, we got some Bluetooth headphones from Cobra. No, I'm sorry. They're from Go Silo. And I guess they're called the Cobra wireless earbuds. See if I can back that up perfect so you can see it. There we go. Try to do it so you can, let me put something behind it that's dark so you can see it a little better, catch this glare. If not, of course, I will insert pictures of everything on the side over here. Next thing we got a Luna bar. Ooh, salted caramel nut. They must have knew that I love salted caramel. They must knew. Cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. Here we go right here. Man, look. This bar might not make it to the, you might not get to see a picture of this because I might eat this now. No, I'm not. Actually, I need to eat dinner. I have to eat a proper dinner, so I can't do that. Next things in the box. Glam Glow sheet mask. These are the bubble sheet masks. They sent me 2 of them, which I've never used Glam Glow masks before. I did get a sample thing of Peter Thomas Roth mask and I wasn't overly impressed, but I've always wanted to try Glam Glow, so here's my intro to it and I cannot wait to try it. That is going to be so much fun. The next thing in here is from Skin & Company Roma Blue and Capri Shower Gel. It has notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, autumn blossom, and this is from the Italian collection. This is 7.7 fluid ounces. You know what? I'm just going to take pictures. I'm not going to try to show everything to you because the glare of the lights, and it's like, what time? 4:50 in the afternoon, evening, afternoon, whatever. So I got a lot of lights going on here. And the next thing I have, it says Simply Whimsical Homemade Pretty Towel. I'm going to guess this is a dish towel, maybe? I don't know. It looks like a dish towel. So, let's see. Here it is right here. Like I said, I'll insert a picture so you can see what it looks like. I think it may be a dish towel, which would be really cool. And I love me a good dish towel. Oh, the next thing in the box. As I'm talking, I'm pulling stuff out the box. The next thing in the box is from Susio Somology Yoga Detox Bath. It's a post-practice relaxing soak ritual made with green matcha, Mediterranean sea salts, and goji berry extracts. This is a 16-ounce bag, and it's sea salt. I mean, it's a salt bath. One of those bath salts. That's the word I'm looking for. Cannot wait to try this because it's been a while since I've taken a bath. I normally take showers, so this I think may be really good to try. You know, as these stressful days that I have between school and work, and giving you guys glorious videos and stuff. So, and the next thing, the box was like part was open, and hopefully nothing's exploded. This says Grown Alchemist Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser Aloe Leaf Plantigo Extracts. This is 3.38 fluid ounce. That's the box right there. And then I just closed it. So we're going to open this up, and looks like it had a little issue in transit. So I will take pictures of this so you guys can see this also. So it's going to be really cool. So I do love a good face wash. I love anything skincare. So I'm really cannot wait to try that. There's a couple of really big things in this box. So I'm going to go for the first thing. It says Vince Camuto on it. I do like me some Vince Camuto. So, let's see. May he rest in peace. I think he passed away last year, I want to say. I think it was last year. So, it was last year, year before, I can't remember. So, what did I get from Vince Camuto? And it looks like a bag. Ooh, it's a cute small tote bag. Ooh, I like how it's translating very red on film. It's actually more of a brownish red, more of a brick red. I think that's the best way to describe it. Here's the bag right here. This is really cute. Ooh, and here's the lining. The interior lining is a leather. I believe it's real leather. I know the smell of real leather. This is really cute. I like this. This would be something really nice to carry like when you're running around, or even like a casual day out with the girls, like if you're going to go to lunch or brunch or something. Pull out your little Vince Camuto bag, you know, girl, we ready to go out to eat. Get us, get some vittles and stuff. You gotta get some vittles. You gotta have those vittles. So I'm gonna put this behind me in the chair. And the last big box in here is from Alfred. This is a French press coffee maker. Here it is, the box right here. Of course, my camera wants to zoom in on, there we go, on the album behind me. So this is a French coffee press. I will have pictures over here for you guys so you can see what it looks like. I don't drink coffee. I don't like the smell nor the taste of coffee. So this will make a really great gift for someone. I just don't know who yet. But this will make a really good gift for somebody. And that's it for the video. Here's the empty box with nothing but tissue papers in it. That's it. That is the box. She's got the, if I could take a picture of her across the room right now, she's got this look like, put that box on the floor, hurry up, put that box on the floor, lady, hurry up, so I can get in it. Knowing her, that's what she'll do. But anyway, that is it for this video. If you guys want to know anything else about FabFitFun, like I said, I'm going to have the links below for it. I'll have a link so you can get $10 off your first box. And that's really it. You know, I just thought about it. I didn't explain what FabFitFun boxes are, but I have a video above of the last unboxing and I explained everything. It's a subscription box, all 4 seasons, $49.99. With the link that I have, $10 off, so it'll be $39.99. So that's it. I'm gonna get out of here. I got a paper to write. I need to work out. I need to eat. And it's almost 5 o'clock. I got things to do. So, guys have any questions, talk to me below. All my social medias were at the beginning. And if you guys like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button. And if you guys want to be on the know of when the videos drop, there's a bell right next to the subscribe button. Hit that too. On the way to your next destination. And I'm out of here. We got videos over here from last week and week before. And I'll talk to you guys later. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.